Welcome back to our channel, dental professionals and practice owners. Today we've got a game changer to discuss: AI chatbots for dentists. If you're tired of potential appointments being lost, poor patient communication, and missing out on life because of work, stick around because this could transform your practice. Let's dive in and explore what's in it for you. To begin with, and a very important point to consider, is that dental chatbots keep an open communication line between your practice and your prospective and existing patients for any questions, comments, or needs they may have right at that instant. Secondly, we have the patient communication aspect. In today's fast-paced world, patients expect quick responses and easy access to information. Traditional methods like patients making phone calls at odd hours or patients sending an email with a question and waiting for a response that may take hours for them to get often fall short, leading to complete frustration. AI chatbots are your 24/7 communication wizards. They provide patients with instant answers to common questions, have the ability to schedule appointments, get directions, and much more. Imagine this: it's the evening, it's the weekend, or even a holiday, and a patient has a pressing dental problem that has to do with getting an appointment, your office hours, the days you're open, and more. In the past, they'd have to wait, but not anymore. AI chatbots don't take breaks. They're available round the clock, endlessly working for you, ensuring your patients get the help they need when they need it. That's customer satisfaction on a whole new level. So there you have it, AI chatbots for dentists, revolutionizing patient communication and providing 24/7 office availability, giving you more time to enjoy life outside of work. Go ahead and integrate AI chatbots into your practice to improve efficiency and elevate the patient experience. It's a win-win. So if you are ready to supercharge your dental practice with AI chatbots, then you don't want to miss out on this transformative technology. And if you want to transform your practice and provide top-notch service to your patients, it's time to start exploring dental AI chatbots. We serve dentists across the nation, including the Metro Miami area. So claim your free, no-obligation 15-minute phone AI dental chatbot consultation today. Call us at 813-749-4165. Listen, don't let missed opportunities and inefficient operations hinder your success. Join the future of dental practice management with AI dental chatbots and watch your practice thrive like never before. Contact us now to schedule your consultation and unlock a new era of dental excellence. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, keep smiling and keep innovating. Talk soon.